Are you ready to see 3 seconds into the future? Well, get yourself a pair of Evetech stealth glasses. Good afternoon, morning, and welcome to Turbo Tortoise Tech. If you're new here, I'm Reese with the 4-piece variety of WookiE Triple XL, and I've been testing these out for a little over a week now with actually very good results. The Evetech stealth glasses have been made in conjunction with Sophie Moda. I had no idea these were actually even coming until they were already on the doorstep, and they were like, hey, we got these cool new glass things coming out. Would you like to do a couple giveaways, with Eve Sports? So we did that. If you missed out on that, unluck, you got to come to the streams in order to win yourself some free gear. But these actually legitimately work. So before I get into the experiment portion, let's first give you a brief overview of what's in the box. So you've obviously got the glasses themselves. They obviously have nice metallic hinges in them. There's a little bit of squeak and stuff from the chassis and from the frame. But once they're on your face, absolutely nothing like that. So when you handle it, you might notice a little bit of that. It's just from the lenses inside of their frame, because they've got multiple layers to them. So yeah, it's quite a complex thing actually. Like I said, but nice metallic hinges. You've got Sophie Moda embossed on the left, and then Evetech on the right. Full aluminium chassis, or frame at least, on the chassis. You can see I'm used to reviewing computer equipment. Rubberized stalks on both sides as well, so to help it not slip off of your face. It does a good job of that. It's also been made quite nicely for broader heads as well, because it can go out quite a bit on these hinges. Is nice. So I've got an East Island head, and they actually fit pretty damn comfortably. I can even wear these with my headphones pretty comfortably. So done a good job as far as comfort goes. Nice little carry pouch as well, little Ziploc bag, and then a very nice little lens cloth as well, all embroidered with Sophie Moda and with Evetech as their conjunction, or their effort to make a conjoined product over here. Then you get a little pamphlet with it as well, explaining to you blue light, but hopefully I'm going to be able to do that for you in this video. So the blue light spectrum is kind of an ugly one. It's honestly very annoying. Ask any radiographer, because they have bright red goggles that they work with. Red light doesn't stay behind the way blue light does. I saw a very interesting experiment a few years ago where they took a whiteboard and then had a blue light on it and a red light, and you could actually see where the blue light trail was remaining behind. It's a very long-lasting portion of the spectrum. What it does to your brain is it tells you that the sun is up, and your brain releases a chemical to tell you that the sun is up, and then that effectively keeps you awake because you think the sun is up. So when you look at a PC monitor for a very long time, it is bombarding you with that sort of light. And it's not inherently bad to your vision, but obviously what's happening chemically in your brain, it's a bit detrimental to that. So what the idea with these is not actually in general to use them throughout the entirety of the day, although it would be helpful, but it is to use them at night when you need to go to sleep, so that your brain isn't being told constantly, hey, the sun is up, it's time to be awake. This lets that normal sort of balance in the hormones that let you sleep be then released as they would be normally, and you get a better rest. And does it work? It actually does. I have blue light filters on almost all of my products, and my phone, I've got a Samsung Galaxy S9, so that's got a blue light filter. There's blue light filters and stuff on my PC, and they are set to go off at a certain time. I disabled all of them intentionally to test these glasses to see if my sleep pattern and stuff was going to be disrupted. and it wasn't. I had very, very high quality sleep. I purposefully didn't use them last night, and I woke up within 6 hours, and I had to have like another nap just so that I could come on camera and didn't look like a dilapidated egg. So these are actually a really good health product, and I definitely think if you are using PCs and stuff, especially late into the evening, like we do broadcasts, for instance, on Eve Sports from 7:30 onward, sometimes until 12 o'clock at night. Obviously, I would then like to go to sleep so I can wake up at a reasonable hour in the morning and not feel like a dilapidated egg. So blue light filtering on everything. And so naturally with the glasses, you'll be able to do that without having to, change everything on your system. The one thing though is obviously if you're using these, it is going to tint everything a bit yellowy. So I wouldn't suggest you use them when designing or doing any kind of work like that. They do also have quite a lot of reflection because of them, especially like now when I'm in the studio and I've got very powerful lights facing me. I can actually see the reflection on the inside. You can probably see the reflection on my glasses this whole time. It's probably actually hilarious. I've just noticed now on the replay. But they do their job, and the fact that they are reflecting that blue light means that that is like a kind of like a sub test to see if they're working. But Sophie Moda is a reputable brand, so they've been made in conjunction with a good company. So well done, Evetech. I think you guys have done an incredibly good job. I do have this set for giveaway as well, which we're going to be doing our birthday giveaway in the very, very near future. So until then, hope you guys stay safe, keep well. If you have enjoyed this review, then please hit us up with a like and subscribe, and I will see you on the flip side.